Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. We're going to proceed with doing some editings on this card. The first thing we need to do, let's come to call out values and start with call out total sales. I think it's perfect. Average. Let's put it as 0. Yep, that looks good. Number of items. Put here as none. Perfect. And average ratings to be 2. To 2. That's perfect. Right. Now let's as well click on let's click on total sales, as we can see, and the yeah, let's click on dollar and change this one to 2. Yep, it will show a dollar sign there. We need also to use average sales as well, and that's it. And just make it 0. So yeah, that's it. Yep, so we are done with this matrix. We have the total sales, we have the average sales, we have the number of items and average rating. So the next thing that we need to do is insert the shape, this one. Come to general shapes. Okay, rounded corner, put it a 3. That's it. General properties, height is 500. This one 554. Let's see. Yeah, maybe this one. Yep, this one. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, let's change the shape. Okay, here let's put it as white. Transparency 40%. That's it. We need to put what's called border. Let's put it as gray. 2%. Let's put shadow. Yep, that's it. So at this point, you can have a look. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go to general properties. This one is height 750. Let's make it 770. Okay, let's just reduce it to 760. Yeah, perfect. Now this one we can do a little of this and will be fine. So the next thing here we need to do is create a donut chart. Right over here we need to put cells and item fat content. Right, before we continue, let's come to modeling, and we need to create no, yeah, new parameter fields, and create matrix, just like that. Okay, and you can put just put total cells. So at this point we need to create our the best KPIs. So let's click total, and then that's the first one. Let's put the average sales next. Average sales next. Number of items, and next average ratings, and then click on create. So you create, and yep, that's it. Once you create it, it will bring this one here, this slicer. So click on this one at this point and remove the sum of cells, and add the matrix. Yeah, like that. So if we change, it can be selected, and you can see different kind of, yeah, this is what we want. At this point we need to make this one come here first of all, and click on formatting, visual slicer setting, tile. It will be better for this particular. The selection, select single. Yep, that's it. That's what we want. And let's see. Okay, let's have a look. Reduce it. Okay, so general properties. I will like for it to be 40. At this point we need to, okay, let's select it. Yep, let's select it, and let's continue with this particular one. Select 9. This one is bold, semi-bold. Okay. Okay, everything is good. This, okay, one sec. Let's see. Background or color, what of yellow. Yep, that's perfect. So if I select total cells and everything, it'll be fine. It'll be awesome. Okay. Yep. That's it for now. Yeah. So if you select this one, it will be changing, and everything is, yeah. So I'm gonna continue editing this particular dollar chart. Now let's come to the slicer legend. Okay, let's put it as top left. Yeah, perfect. The text, let's put it on 8. Perfect. This one, semi bold. Okay. Title. Remove it. Okay. Now let's have a look at the slices. So for regular, let's put it. Let's put hashtag CDA 900 and have a look at, yeah, perfect. This one to put 68949. Yep, perfect. This one is for low fat, so regular and low fat now we got. If you look at the total sales, you can see. What I can do right here, I'm gonna switch this particular colors and put low content as, let's just copy this one and come to regular. Oh, it. And this one, let's put CDA 900. I don't know why this color. Oh yeah, perfect. At this point, let's come to, once we've done the spacing, let's put it at 75. Yep, that's perfect. All right, so the detail labels outside, yep. Let's just put our data value. Okay, and then values for the detail labels, let's put it as semi bold, put it as 8. Okay, that's it. So general properties, 230 and 220. Perfect. And yeah, padding. Okay. Right. At this point, let's see the title. The title should be 10. It should be semi bold. Okay. We go down and check the spacing. The spacing. Okay. Let's just leave it at 5 for now. The effects. Okay. So if you come to visuals title, let's change it to fat content. Wait, let's come here, title, and change it to fat content. That's it. So let's bring this one over here. So move ours to the center. Perfect. So right now, if I choose like total sales, you can see average sales, you can see number of items, you can see, and average rating, you can see. Okay, right. So at this point, the legend is item. Okay, right. So at this point, let's change this header title to capitals, general, So you just come to format your visuals, general, title, and change it to fat content. Yep, that's perfect. So let's proceed to the next bit. So the next thing we need to do is get rid of this average ratings decimal places into two. So let's click on it, average. Okay, let's see where's the metrics. There's KPI, average ratings. Where is it? It's here. So let's put it into two. Hit enter, and now you can see it's 3.2. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, and let's see the number of items. 6k is perfect. This one, okay, perfect. This one, yep. Maybe we put it at 2. So with ratings, no, put it at 1. Hit enter, and that's it. Let's come here as well. Average rating, it's at 1. Okay, so let's come to the individual values. So call out values. Average rating, put it at 1. Hit enter, that's it. So this is perfect now. Let's continue to the next bit. At this point we need to pull the card, put total sales. Where is total sales? Over here. Okay, just format your visual, call out difference, call out values as normal. Let's put it at 10. Okay, this one semi bold. Label, put it, I think the label should be 10 and the call out value should be 8. Label, semi bold. Okay, below, yeah, should be below. Let's just do it like that. Right, there's a mistake I've made here. The call out value, this one should be, the value should be 10 and be 8. And now, yeah, the value should be 10, sorry, 10. This should be 8. The space here should be 0. And that's it. Okay, perfect. So at this point, we need to make the background general look cards. Of the background, turn off the border, and at this point, okay, now we can bring this one here. it. Yep. And make sure that the values and everything is at the center. All of them, we need them at the center. Click center. Click center. Right. So once you've done that, perfect. So now let's come right here, general, effects, background, turn it off. Now, yep, now you can see it perfectly. But right here, what I'll do is these are the total cells over here, as you can see on the data. So you can just remove them and put the metrics on the data. So for example, if I want to click on total cells, you can see the total cells, they are 1.2, same as here. Average, you can see it's 141. Just all the metrics can be now dynamic. Right, so this is for the FAT content. Now we need to proceed. At this point, we need to get the next requirement, which will be the FAT content by outlet. So let's select the clustered budget. So once you select it, on the x-axis, we're gonna put our metrics. So metrics. Okay, first of all, let's just go to general and put 230. Just same as this one right here, 230 and 220. Right. So bring it here. Oh, there's gonna be some problem. But anyway, we'll sort it out. Let's increase this to 520. Nope. 530. Nope. 40. Yep, perfect. Now let's increase this one as well. So height is 800. Yeah. So some some space to play around with. This one. Yep, perfect. So let's design this card. So we've put the matrix on the x-axis. We need to put the item voice outlet location. Let's put it on y-axis. Right. So at this point, we need to put on the legend the item FAT content. So that, yep, perfect. So over here, what we need to do is format. Okay, the legend, it's top left. Let's start with title. The title should be 10. It's just same. Let's just keep semi UI semi bold. Okay. So at this point, let's change this one to FAT by outlet. Perfect. Right, at this point, we need to continue with the design. Okay, so let's come to the legend. The legend, top left, that's fine. Task semi UI bold, yeah. I'll put it as 8 for the legend and ensure this one is black. Okay, perfect. This one, turn it off, we don't need it. Right, so we got that one, and if we go down, okay, perfect. So on the y-axis, let's turn off the title. This one, let's put it as 8 semi UI, like that. Yep. Let's see. Nope. Let's leave it like that. Values. And the title, turn off the title. I don't want the title. If you can see the outlay location type, just turn it off. And at this point, the layout is fine. So we're done with the y-axis, x-axis. See what they have. Values, 8, semi-UI, black. Right, so at this point, let's come here and turn off the title. You can see average rating, turn off the title, and that's it. So this is perfect for now. And the next thing we need to do, is come to bars. This is what we need to work on. On the cards low fat, as low fat you can see it's yellow, so let's keep it consistent, so yellow. And regular, yep, this one, just like it is, perfect. Now let's turn on the data labels, come down, yes, scroll down. Okay, let's just hide this. So scroll down, all. Okay, yeah, all for now. So the title, we don't have the title. If you put the title, they'll show you low fat. We don't want it. Okay, you can see it right here, low fat regular. We don't want the title for the bars. So you scroll down. Okay, value, just turn it to 8. I like 8. Semi bold, just to keep it consistent. This one just black, and right. So auto display units, auto, okay. Detail, background. Oh wait. So to this point, the position should be outside end. Yep, that's perfect for this particular video. So if you select, for example, total sales, you can see it. So anyway, let's keep on working on this one. Yep. So the data labels are done. Layout. Just put single. That's off. Okay. Right. So at this point, let's see what we can do before we go to the next requirement. Right. Just come to, let's check general, effects, turn off the background. You can see the effect, turn off the background, and that's it. So it will take the the cards background. So right at this point we need to insert a separator, just a line. Okay, now we need to come here, select a line. Yep, reformat it, shape. Yep, line, flat, all good. Style, just remove this to be a gray. This border, color. Yeah, perfect. Now what we need to do is take this one, bring it here. Something that we forgot doing. Something that we forgot. We forgot turning this background off. So come to here, general, effects, background off, and yeah. So let's copy this line. Just duplicate it, copy, and paste. What I'll do is I rotate it at 90. Yeah, here. Lower a bit to the top, but it's there. Yeah. Okay. So let's work on our next requirement now. At this point, we need to have a look at the next. Okay, the next requirement, and we will use the stacked bar chart. This is perfect. Right here, what we need to put is the item type, and put that's on the y-axis, and then we can put the metrics on the x-axis. Okay, now let's see. So let's start formatting it. So formatting it y-axis, let's start with the y-axis. We need it 9, semi UI, semi bold. Okay, perfect. Do we need the, yeah, yes, we need them. Okay, this is perfect, finished. And let's put the color as this. Okay, let's go to the title. We don't need the title. Let's go to layout. Okay, that's finished. Let's go to x-axis. Right at this point, x-axis, let's see the values. Okay, the values, let's put them at 8, semi UI bold. Perfect. Let's see the value. Yeah, we don't need this total sales whatever title, as you can see right here, so we don't need it. And the x-axis, let's go down. grid lines, everything looks good over there for now. Data label. Yep, we need to put data label on. Let's come down. Start with the bars. So the bars, we need to change this one to be same color. Right. I'll choose this one, the same as what we got. Borders, leave it like that. Come down. Data labels, yeah, we need to put some data labels. Okay, so at this point, don't put auto, put it outside. Huh? The values, put it at 8. Yeah, semi UI, bold, perfect. Calm down, details, background, okay. General, the title, let's change it to item type. That's perfect. So at this point, okay, let's see, the item is, let's put it as 10 type, semi UI, like that. Perfect. So this one is done for today, but I need to remove the background effects, background. The title should be there, and header icons. Let's see. Um, we did not remove the background here. We need to do that. Yeah. Now we got a perfect requirement here. So let's build another requirement. Control C, Control V, and now let's, yeah. Now we're gonna build our next requirement. This one. Where was it? It's better like that. This one, I guess, it's better like that. And it's better like that. Perfect. So we're gonna build our next requirement. Join me in the next episode as we prepare to finish it. So it will be the final episode. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you.